And I also think, let's not forget, one of the main reasons is also cost, I believe. Correct. At 120K for a full system or whatever it is, 160K in New Zealand, that's 230 New Zealand.
Jeez.
So yeah, I mean, like that's probably why they kept off at the 10, 15, 20% mark, I think is tops. At the same time where printers are really jumping in is because they're cheap. They're just cheap. It's way easier to fork out 20K than 100K.
Well, I mean, they're getting even lower than that now too. I think even the minus, I think, is around 10. And so like that's a very low barrier to entry if you say, hey, you could do this in your office, I think. So you're 100% right. I agree.
We spoke so much about scanners and your competitors, you poor bloke, like just constantly about them. What about the Midas? That was probably the biggest printer release of the year.
Yeah, it's one of the most exciting things I've seen hit the industry for sure. I think that kind of a solution has the potential to really drive adoption of either printed temporaries or, inlays or onlays or something like that. I work with some people who, as I said, are using it for permanent crowns, but I kind of hear a balanced opinion on that of terms of,
it's resin after all.
Yeah. So there's a balanced opinion there, but I mean, at least in the US, the reimbursement is the same, right? So for a lot of clinicians, it's an option. I think it's just a materials question at this point to me. That's all it is.